Now, both new and returning members of parliament are preparing to take their seats in Gordon House for the start of the new term. Now, the final results have been redrawn, and the map of Jamaica, the map of representation, while the government remains in control, the balance of power has shifted. The opposition has grown stronger, closing the gap more than at any point in recent memory. Now, so what does this mean for Jamaica's democracy? How will a more evenly divided parliament shape debate, decision-making, and the delivery of policies? And with questions raised about the job descriptions and performances of MPs in the last term, how might expectations shift this time around? Tonight we'll unpack the implications of this new political landscape, what it could mean for governance, accountability, and the national agenda in the months ahead. This is Lead Story Prime. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Now here's Andre Jebinson with an overview of the new parliament.